Hi everybody, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be giving you some tips on how to install software update in your device Samsung A13. So if you want to install software update in your device Samsung A13, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can install software update in your device.